Happy 4 months old, baby ko. Happy 4 months old, baby. Good morning. Good morning, baby. You want milk? You want milk? You want milk? You want milk? Good morning. Good morning, Scarlett. What? Good morning, Scarlett ko. Good morning. Punta tayo church? Punta tayo church today? Punta tayo church? Ha? Sleepyhead pa ang baby na yan? Sleepyhead pa ang Scarlett namin? Good morning! Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Change clothes. Let's go. Hi, Scarlett. Ang cute-cute ng bebe niya. Pupunta ng church. Pupunta ng church ang bebe na yan. Halika na. Halika na, baby ko. Ang ganda-ganda ng bebe na yan, oh. Pupunta ng church. Hi! Say hi! Pupunta ng church ang bebe na yan, oh. Hi! Hello, Mama! Ang cute-cute. Let's go na. Let's go!
Scarlett!
Let's go, Scarlett! Say hi! Hi! Bird. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go na. Let's go. Let's go sa stroller. Uy, ang daming toys naman ng baby na yan, oh. Ang daming toys sa stroller. Para hindi mainip ang Scarlett.
Ano mo na nung tawag dito? Kumot.
Ang cute-cute ng Scarlett na yan, no? Mag-church ngayon kami, kasama si Scarlett. First time ni Scarlett mag-church. 4 months old na siya. Look, Scarlett, what's the camera? Look, oh. What's this? Ang cute-cute.
Scarlett!
Pink na pink. Naka-all pink kami today, pati si Daddy naka-pink. Ay. Gigi, di ba? Alam mo, ang cute-cute ng dress na yan. Ay! Ayan, mahilig siya mag-grab tapos ilalagay niya sa mouth niya yung mag-grab niya. Yan. Kaya laging basa yung kamay niya. Oh, tamo. Laging naka-grab and mouth. Oh. Makita mo yung bird. Dito na kami sa church. Scarlett, wake up. Nandito na tayo sa church. Inaantok siya. Sleepy Scarlett. Para tayo akyat.
Dito.
Sa likod, baka may yung idaan na sasakyan.
Ikot ka pa, ibubuhatin lang natin dito.
A reading from the letter of St. Paul to the Ephesians. Brothers and sisters, in Christ Jesus, you who once were far off have become near to the blood of Christ. For he is our peace. He made all one and broke down the dividing wall of enmity through his flesh, abolishing the law of death by him. He came and preached peace to you who were far off, and peace to those who were near. For through him we both have access in one spirit to the Father. The word of the Lord.
Scarlett. Tulog na tulog ang baby. Buti nila makakakain si Mommy at Daddy. Tulog na siya. Tapos na kami mag-church. Dito lang yung church, oh, sa tapat. Yan. Kumain lang kami dito sa labas. Brunch na. Lagyan mo na rin yung akin. This is tofu soup. Tofu soup. Yan eh. Tofu soup din, pero spicy. Pink na si Scarlett. Scarlett! 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 Gising na si Scarlett. Back. Wala na. Gising na. Pa nakakain si Mommy. Ito si Scarlett.
Thank you. Yeah. Yes, please. Hindi makita si Scarlett eh. Kumakawag-kawag lang siya.
Wala. Kahit guys. Sa Korean restaurant kami. May CD Coffee House. Kasi dami hindi ko lang kalupunan yung kakainin. Tulalay. Nainip na ang Scarlett na yan. Nainip na ang baby. Hi! Nainip na ang Scarlett. Ha? Nainip na ang Scarlett na yan. Kit-kit ng damit ng Scarlett na. Ay? Uy? Naka-dress ang baby na yan. Ba? Hi! Ganda ng ngiti ng baby na yan.
Annyeong. Annyeong.